Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to customize Viber caller ID settings on your device. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, at the bottom of your screen, tap on the More option. This will open up a menu with several additional features that aren't immediately visible on the main screen. Once you're in this menu, look for and tap on Caller ID. This is where all your caller identification settings are stored, and it's the control center for how Viber displays information during your calls. Now, the first thing you can do here is enable or disable the caller ID feature entirely. You'll see a toggle button right beside the caller ID option. Simply press this toggle to turn the feature on or off depending on your preference. When enabled, this feature allows others to see your information when you call them and vice versa. If privacy is a concern, you might want to turn it off, but keep in mind this affects how your contacts see you when you reach out. Next, tap on Show for calls from contacts. This setting specifically controls how caller ID behaves when you're communicating with people already saved in your contact list. Once you tap it, you'll see two options: incoming calls and outgoing calls. You can check or uncheck these boxes based on whether you want your caller ID displayed for calls you receive from contacts, calls you make to contacts, or both. After you've made your selections, tap Done to save your preferences. This gives you granular control over how your identity is shared with people you already know. Now tap on Show for calls from non-contacts. This is similar to the previous setting, but it applies to calls involving numbers that aren't saved in your contact list. Again, you'll see the options for incoming calls and outgoing calls. Check or uncheck these depending on whether you want your caller ID visible to unknown numbers or people you haven't added yet. Once you've configured this to your liking, tap Done. This setting is particularly useful if you want to maintain privacy when dealing with unfamiliar callers while still showing your information to your saved contacts. Lastly, you'll see an option labeled Include Cellular Calls in Recent Tabs. Right beside it, there's a toggle button. Tap this toggle to enable or disable the feature. When enabled, this option allows Viber to display your regular phone calls alongside your Viber calls in the Recent Tabs section, giving you a unified view of all your call activity in one place. If you prefer to keep them separated, simply leave it disabled. And that's it. You've now customized your Viber caller ID settings to match your privacy preferences and calling habits. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.